few weeks ago, I took a poll on Instagram to see if I should make this swing arm. A normal Javelin swing arm is about 2 feet long and it's all laser cut steel. So we're working with our partners over at CFA in Milford, Connecticut to make this crazy 8-foot long version. So I'm gonna weld it and paint it up and we're gonna see how this thing turns out.
I'm looking for
Front one on.
I'm tightening it.
Oh, see how I want it? Yep. Dude, you gotta do this.
I love it.
What?
Yeah.
Hi. Okay.
Oh god, it's on the hose line.
Here.
Anyway, I was not getting any gas, so I thought I was out of gas. But I'm not out of gas, I just melted the hose. So all my gas is coming through there. These two holes are designed for some brass bushings. They're like industrial grade. And then to go through that, we have like a grade 8 heavy duty bolt that is going to serve as the axle. So I now need to ream that. My reamer is worn out. There we go. I did it the wrong way.
Nice.
You gotta tell us we gotta go up, down, or what?
Towards the windows. Pull this side slightly. Okay.
Wow.
As long as possible, assuming you're gonna get all that compression.
I know, but like how tall is the seat gonna be? So it's gonna be this funny like back and forth. Does that seem ridiculous?
No.
Well, it is elevated off the ground
And that's
on the floor,
Yes.
so it's gonna be a weird angle.
Lowering. That's definitely a lot of preload on that.
Oh, honestly great. It feels great. I feel comfy.
How do you feel, Dr. Frankenstein?
Oh, this is great. I want to do more shit like this.
Yeah.
Nice turn. It's alive. Yeah, no, I think the Bose Suzuki seat on this.
Yes.
I mean,
It's surprisingly balanced over the front.
I know. There we go. Okay.
Oh my god. That's ridiculous.
I have the extra long cable for the battery, and this is going to go here and then up through the back here, and then the battery cable is going to connect to here.
Yeah. What, crawling under it or just the thing itself?
So I'm not going to do a rear brake yet. I'm going to just use a front brake only. Do you remember playing Road Rash? Did you play Road Rash?
I've not played it, but I'm familiar with it.
In Road Rash, once you like beat all the characters or beat all the races and stuff, you unlock these 2 bikes that have enormous swing arms, and you can wheelie those, and they go like 300 miles an hour.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I'll cut to a video of that.
Yeah.
Okay, pushing down without flipping the bike.
Says system okay.
So let's do an auto burn on it.
Yep.
Is it clear?
Yep.
Go. It's like really smooth. That's so funny. It's gonna reverse here. hold. Please hold. You can see how it tilted?
What?
Motor tilted because the nut got loose.
Oh!
I don't know.
Traffic jam.
Oh, this and the trike? No way.
What?
The two worst.
No!
Actually, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Oh, it doesn't have foot pegs on.
Oh no! Or lights or anything. Holy shit.
Oh my god, it feels so weird. It feels real weird. Really heavy, Charlotte?
It's okay. I lift.
Mm-hmm. Hell yeah.
Next to this thing.
It feels crazy. This is awkward.
You guys look like pallbearers on the world's longest coffin.
Fantastic. Yay! I don't know what it is about pop-up tents, but I feel like whenever I have put up a pop-up tent, the odds of it just flying away
Yeah.
are very high.
Yeah.
It's so funny, if you look at the comments,
Yeah.
so many of them are just like, why did you do this? This is stupid.
Because we can!
Oh, cool. It's already
Oh, great!
Brand
That's
new.
wonderful.
These nozzles are,
Yeah.
oh, sick.
Piece of shit?
Absolute garbage.
Yeah. There's somebody here.
You can go in.
Hi. You can go in right through there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Charlie. No, it looks great.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good call. Is this one okay?
Yeah, thank you. What do you think? How's it look as it goes by?
Slam on your front brake and see what happens with the valve. See if you completely go.
Yeah.
With the seat.
What the hell?
It's amazing.
Probably get inside before the bike dries.
Yeah, sounds good.
I'm gonna go back. Okay. You good? That wheel? That wheel is very close.
That's Swingarm. Should we dress up now while we're by the bed?
I think so.
This is what Rick has always dreamed of.
Yeah.
A 10-foot swing arm in a tree parking lot.
Oh, I did brakes.
No. You only have a front brake, dude.
Matt's nervous
I'm
right now.
terrified right now.
Extreme terrain it is. I could be Santa. That's cool.
I think we should be Santa.
Yeah. Yeah.
That would be hilarious.
Having a 5'6"
Sure.
Santa's not really. It doesn't make much sense.
Hey, I don't think there's a
You
there's.
be an elf and I'll be Santa.
I was gonna say there's no canonical height for that, but actually maybe there is, and I just don't know.
Honestly, somewhere there is.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah, you have to play the role.
Oh.
No, don't. Not like that. Not like that.
Famine in the North Pole.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, he looks the part. Yeah, if you.
Oh my god.
I got no brakes. Oh boy.
Ready?
Alright.
Oh my god, dude. Oh yeah. Okay, great. I'm coming. Go ahead. Dude.
I know, I didn't. I did not realize this is unfortunately trash. We've used it so many times.
Oh my god.
So, Taryn, I guess we're gonna go on next.
Are you gonna like stand it up? I would stand it up, right? Like hold on to the seat like you were before.
We're gonna do that.
And then yeah, there you go. Oh my god.
Yeah. So we'll go back over there.
Okay.
Thanks, Van Wilgens.
Oh, how are we doing?
Split up, and then you're just gonna turn over there, and I'll jump on the bike.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Yep.
It's got a lot of weight back there. That's so bizarre.
Yeah. Oh, you can.
What the heck? Oh, my shirt. It's like going up.
I got it.
Yeah, it's just that the ramp is kicking out.
Okay. Hold it. Hold it.
We're good?